LandSAR Search and Rescue Mission Tool. Minutes matter when a person is lost. They can mean the difference between life and death. Using search and rescue resources effectively is critical to survival. LandSAR maximizes your resources to increase mission success. LandSAR is the web-based search and rescue decision support tool that models likely locations of a lost person. LandSAR is ideal for aiding lost person searches over large areas of land with a distributed team. Easy to use, models potential paths taken by the lost person over time, displays user-defined search area of operation, considers available assets when recommending searches. LandSAR's intuitive user interface helps teams find lost persons or LPs quickly and efficiently. LP event is entered. Additional information is recorded. Last known position of the LP. Categorization of LP. For example, a hiker. Stationary, lost hiker with destination, trails-based, easiest short-term path. The tool factors LP's destination goals quickly to include areas they might avoid, favoring open fields over wooded areas to increase visibility in flat trails versus steep inclines. Probability distribution, including sample paths generated based on data gathered, is sent to the search team using clear mapping visuals. Users may drag projections forward and backward in time to estimate where the LP was, is, or will be. LandSAR calculates an optimal search rectangle and representative search path using information about the team's available assets, searches on foot, helicopters, or small unmanned aerial systems. LandSAR generates a recommended search path and disseminates this to the team's devices for review and execution. Using LandSAR, search and rescue teams may reduce the duration of LP events and increase the likelihood of successful rescue operations dramatically. Connect with us.